Hi guys! I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, we will be doing a review on the Smashbox Full Coverage Foundation. It is the Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I've been using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte for about 3 to 4 years now in a shade 106. Lately, my skin is flaking and breaking out. I've already reached the last leg of this tube. I thought it's time for me to try out a new foundation, and I found a review from Tati and Taylor Wynn, who is known for her Foundation Fridays, and I am truly excited. But first, I'm gonna be doing the side of my face with a beauty sponge, and then the other side I'll be doing with a brush, and we'll see if it's gonna work for me. I hope I like it, so let's get it on. I'm just gonna squeeze a little amount. I heard it is a very full coverage and you don't need a lot of products. Oh, I forgot to wet my beauty sponge. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just wet my beauty sponge on this side. I can see already that it is full coverage. By the way, this beauty sponge is by Eco Tools. I really like this because it's very dense, so it packs on all the product. I'm using the shade 222 and I can tell that it's covering all my hyperpigmentation. Wow, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels just like my skin. It's a little matte. It's definitely full coverage, and this is only one layer of foundation, and usually if I use a beauty sponge it will sheer it out, but look at that. I could go with this because I have nowhere to go today, so I think one layer will be fine. So now let's try on the other side with the brush. Alright, I'm using the BS small brush that I got from Amazon. If you guys want a link, let me know in the comments down below. I like it. So with the brush, I feel like it's the same. I don't know if you guys can see the true color, but as you can see, I had dark spots and scars here, but it just covered it up. Really nice. I'm gonna say that I am very impressed. Look at that, guys. Can you see that? My face looked like just, you know, skin but better. With the beauty sponge, I can feel a little tackiness right here. I don't know if my skin is just oily, but here I can feel like it's really dried out, but it's not too dry. I can still see like sheen a little bit. It covered up everything. Okay, guys. So here's another look before I put on the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back.